And so we've been going since 3 yesterday, 3 in the afternoon. We're seeing what we think is the lights of Angola in the very distance. And we're about going 6 1/3 knots. The wind speed's 10 knots. And we're going about almost east.
What's the responsibilities of being on watch?
Well, make sure you don't run into anything. You're on the same heading and the whole time. And if the wind speed gets too high, you need to notify one of the adults.
Alright. Any last messages?
Well, not really.
Alright. Good night.
Good night. Bye.